It's 5 a.m. So I figured I'd fix my stove. Christmas Eve. Yep. I gotta say that I was proud of myself because I got my Pitbull, the percentage of me listening to Pitbull down to 0% in the last 2 years. And in the past week, it's gone up 100%. Because my coworkers have terrible taste in music. Anyway, my parts came. My igniter came. No, I can't talk. Of course. But here it is, my igniter. Yeah, this is the old one. This is real Frigidaire parts. And I was going to go with a cheaper version of this because it was way cheaper. It was like 25 bucks. But first of all, it states directly on the package, or on the schematic rather, for my Frigidaire gas stove, don't use anything other than Frigidaire parts. And also I looked down the where people go to leave reviews and whatnot. I gotta tell you, they've saved me a few times, and in this instance it definitely saved me because I read two where the igniter crapped out like very quickly, and I don't want to waste my time, even more importantly than my money, so I just went all in for the real deal. Yeah, so, and then there was also somebody put like on the bunk crappy non-Frigidaire part, somebody said it has a year warranty, but you have to have a Frigidaire person come in and install it for, like, how do you even certify that? How do you take the guy with a rotary or something? Maybe he gives you a confirmation number or something, but I don't know. The ins and outs of that are just so stupid, no one's ever going to do it, so it's a scam for sure. So yeah, let's see if this works. First, I made sure that I did in fact have a burnt out igniter. I used my tool there, so I forget the name of it, but yeah, it's there to measure conductivity. And sure enough, on one of the wire linkages, it was totally dead. So basically it's measuring, if you have a connection at all, and kind of like the resistance and whatnot. And for fun, I did my talisman, my demon trap. It's like a Hebrew trap for demons, of course, and it works. And obviously there's a bunch of energy running through it, so I got a reading on that too. Yeah, let's put this shit together.
Sorry, but not necessarily the most known. I was no way you thought I was out, so I have no known. Have been set.